You are what you eat and is an adage known to everyone. But what we do before a meal also has a great impact on your health. Healthy X is going to tell you about 9 things you can do on an empty stomach, no less than 2 hours after your last meal. As a bonus, you will find information about what you can do when you are hungry at the end of the video. Aspirin, paracetamol, and other non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs can't be taken on an empty stomach. Not only does it reduce their effectiveness, but it causes serious health problems. Even decaffeinated coffee stimulates the production of acid that might cause heartburn and other digestive tract issues if drank on an empty stomach. Skipping breakfast even after coffee may lead to serotonin deficiency and a gloomy mood for the rest of the day. Without eating, the alcohol absorption rate increases by a factor of 2 and is the same way as during its intravenous injection. In contrast, the removal of alcohol breakdown products slow down, which provokes a severe hangover. The rapid effect of alcohol on the body doesn't go without negative consequences for your liver, heart, and kidneys. The digestive acid produced while you are chewing gum destroys the lining of an empty stomach. Over-indulgence with the gum may lead to gastritis. It is scientifically proven that people who chew gum prefer junk foods rather than vegetables. Hunger and low glucose level prevents us from falling asleep and causes superficial sleep and early awakening. Interestingly, a lack of sleep increases the level of hunger hormone. There is an opinion that exercising on an empty stomach burns more calories. In truth, that doesn't influence fat loss. Muscle loss, on the other hand, is real. The exercise intensity is also reduced since the body lacks energy. We all know that hunger makes us buy more food than we actually need. In fact, as empty stomach make us more acquisitive even in non-food stores. The acid and tough fibers contained in the citric fruit irritate your empty stomach, which is especially dangerous for those who have gastritis and are at a risk of developing it. Researchers found that hunger makes us less composed. It happens because self-control requires energy, which is in short supply when the stomach is empty. The bonus we promised: what you can do when you are hungry. You are probably guessing that the most apt thing you can do is to eat some food, but there are other less obvious things that are best done on an empty stomach. Drinking some water is one of it.